Typing is a lot of fun, especially if you're the type of person who loves to write. Whenever an idea comes to your head or you just want to communicate something, the feeling of scribbling things down on a computer is awesome. Do you know that being able to type faster makes you more productive? In fact, it'll save you 21 days every year just by typing faster. Many people look up to master typists and wish to handle a keyboard as they do. The truth is that none of them started that way, and they had to learn. In this video, you'll learn how to type faster with some useful tips. 1. Work on your workspace and typing area. A lot of people believe that fast and correct typing will start when you can master the keyboard. But the truth is, you will need to begin with getting a workspace that is clean, properly ventilated, and comfortable. Also, for optimal typing, you will need to get a table and not out your laptop or computer on your lap. If you will be working for an extended period, make sure that you're comfortable. 2. Fix your posture. If you want to type well, the correct posture will be seated, straight, backed, and with your feet planted a little apart, flat on the ground. Your wrists should also be positioned in such a way that your fingers can cover the keyboard. Tilt your head a bit as you can look at the screen properly as well. Adjust your office chair so you'll be able to easily play with the seat and get a proper posture. 3. Hold your posture. It is also very important that you keep this position as you type. Ensure that your posture is good, and this way, you will be able to avoid getting aches on your wrists. These aches have a way of slowing you down and keeping you out of rhythm. Keep your back and shoulders from hunching, and while relaxation should be your key goal as you work on, also be sure to stay upright. 4. Familiarize yourself with the keyboard. The keyboard is your tool here, so you will need to get to know it. Fortunately for you, most keyboards that you see will make use of the same layout. The QWERTY layout. It is called that because of the letters that make the top left corner. You'll also find that a lot of keyboards have keys around these main ones that do several things. 5. Close your eyes and say the keys out loud as you press them. Another great way to get to know the positions of these letters is to look away from them and directly at the screen. Then, pronounce the keys as you press them and see if you're correct. This step will go a long way in helping you to memorize the keys, and it can easily help you. 6. Start slowly with touch typing. Improving your speed as you type is a matter of developing your skill over time. However, the quickest way to master typing will be touch typing. If this is your first time with touch typing, then you might spend a lot of time on this step. However, once you can type without looking at the keys, your speed will increase.